Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present my database assignment 1, which is draw ER diagram. This is the data requirement for our exact bank. Based on this requirement, I need to draw a ER diagram for our exact bank. For the first question, I need to identify the main entity types. So I found out that they got 6 entities, which is branch, customers, employee, accounts, loan, and payment. And I already highlight it blue in color. This is the first data requirement. The entity I already highlight blue in color and the attribute red in color. So the entity for this requirement is branch, and the attribute is city and unique name. This is the ER diagram that I draw for entity branch. I add one more attribute because the question states that at least 3 attributes for each entity. So branch name is PK, which is primary key. For this, the entity is customer, and the attribute is customer ID, customer name, and address. Based on this sentence, bank store customer names. So I draw a ER diagram to show this statement, and the relationship between them is store. One branch store many customers information. Customer may have account and can take out loans. So I draw a ER diagram to link the customer with account and loan. A loan may be associated with particular banker. For this statement, I draw a diagram which employee with loan, and the relationship is associate. Based on this sentence, the multiplicity is one employee associate the loan. Next, the entity is employee, and the attribute is employee ID, name, telephone numbers, and start date of their employee. So this is the ER diagram for employee, and I link it with branch with a relationship of store. I also link employee with itself, which means one manager manage many officers. This is the fourth data requirement. The entity is account, and the attribute is unique account numbers, which is primary key. Account balance and debt accessed by the customer. Account has 2 types, which is saving account and current account. Customer can either choose saving account or current account or both. The multiplicity of this data requirement is many customers can have many accounts. For this data requirement, the entity is loan, and the attribute is unique number, loan amount, and loan payment. Loan has relationship with 2 entities, which is branch originate the loan and customer has loan. Loan has 2 types, which is housing loan and vehicle loan. The attribute for housing loan is property address and property value. And for vehicle loan, the attribute is registration number and vehicle color and vehicle type. Customer can either have housing loan or vehicle loan. It is because one customer can only have one loan. The entity for this statement is payment, and the attribute is payment ID, as primary key, payment date, and payment amount. And this is the ER diagram for payment. Therefore, this is a complete ER diagram for RXA Bank. I have connected those 6 main entities that I mentioned just now based on the requirement. So let's look at this. I have linked loan with payment, and the relation is has. One loan can have many payments. So, thank you.